Working with scenery, we had the retaining walls with the arches. Probably you remember on the episode of Thomas and Friends. This was a test before I got the correct or the decided shade. I wanted to get this shade that matches the episode of Thomas and Friends. Previously, I remember I used to print in red each. This actually kind of pink, but it's red. Obviously, it's listed listed as red, but it's not even red. When I got it, I didn't like it. Now, I upgraded these retaining walls. Previously, they were kind of so skinny. You could have some problem if you push it because they were kind of thin. In this case, I decided to make it thicker walls. Still can drop it if you accidentally push it, but it's less susceptible as the other one. It does have 4 arches. I remember I started doing this year ago when I made these arches. I sold them for lots with 3 arches only, but this one it's longer. It covers more area. I'm gonna try to make a tutorial how to paint. Actually, I'm gonna learn myself, but it looks good. Also, we're going to try to bring back this. Actually, I'm gonna redesign the water mill as very soon. Let me know your opinion about this shade. Well, this is the closest one we got to the video seen on the episodes of Thomas and Friends. I hope I can show you some scenery when I get them done.